are going to learn about the skeletal system. Framework of bones in our body is called skeleton or skeletal system. It supports the body, protect delicate organs like brain, heart, and main sense organs. It gives the body shape and strength. Bone framework is formed in such a way that we are able to sit, stand, bend, walk, run, and do so many functions with hands and legs. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. Some bones are large while some others are small. Bones are made up of living cells. That is why they grow as one gets older. The bones are hard with holes and hollows in them for nerves and blood vessels. The long bones are filled with a soft material called bone marrow. Both red and white blood cells are made inside the bone marrow. The red blood cells carry oxygen to every part of the body. The skeletal is skull. The skull is made up of 8 flat bones. They are joined together very closely so that they cannot move. The skull protects the brain. 14 bones support the face. The jaw. Man and some animals have two jaws. The upper jaw is a part of skull, but lower jaw can be moved up and down. This movement helps in chewing the food. We also move lower jaw while taking. The next is the backbone. The backbone. The backbone is in man is made up of 33 bones. We call them as vertebrae. The vertebrae are linked together. They form the main axis of the body. Vertebrae protects the spinal cord that runs from the brain to the last vertebrae. Next part of the skeleton is the ribs. What is ribs? You can feel your ribs in your chest. There are 12 pairs of ribs in a man. They form a cage-like structure to protect the delicate organs, the heart and the lungs. Rib bones are curved so as to join the backbone and the breastbone. The last two joins the backbone only. The limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs in man. Hands are called as forelimbs and and legs are called hind limbs. Two large to make up wrist, palm and finger. The bones of the limbs are attached to the girdles. The upper arm bone is attached to the shoulder girdle. The thigh bone is attached to the hip girdle. The longest bone in the body is femur or thigh bone. It is also known as thigh bone. The feet. The weight of the body is supported by the feet. The bones of the feet are arranged in the form of an arc. An arc can support maximum weight. There are 3 kinds of arcs in each foot. At the base of heel, at the base of big toe, and at the base of each small toe. The skeletal system includes cranium, skull, radius, humerus, pelvis, femur, tibia, phalanx foot, malleus, rib cage, wrist bones, femur, and ankle bones, tibiofibula, collar bones, pelvis. So, thank you. This is all about the skeletal system. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.